Hey, what's up guys? So I got this LED strip from AliExpress recently, and today I'm gonna set this up behind my desk so it will look cool when I review products on this table. This LED strip is currently listed for $332 and I got this for $269 with free fast shipping, which is an absolute steal. This is one of those very inexpensive things you can buy online which can transform your desk setup or your room. And I will drop a link in the description below if you want to get one for yourself. The strip that I ordered is 5 meters in length, it came with a remote and it has its own app to control the lights from your phone as well. The strip itself is very thin and it has these cut points so you can safely cut the strip if it is too long for you and it will still work. To get the app on your phone, you can scan the QR code on this LED strip and it will direct you to the Google Play Store or if not the Apple App Store. The strip has a USB port which you can connect to your computer or to a charger as for the source of power. Alright, so this is the remote which works with the IR blast over here on this LED strip. You have few color options on this remote to change the colors. You can adjust the brightness and also you can change the lighting modes from the buttons located on the right side of the remote. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to install this LED strip behind my desk and I'm going to use this double-sided tape as well because the adhesive on the back of this LED strip might not be strong enough in the long run. I highly recommend you to use another double-sided tape if you are doing this at home as well. Alright, I'm going to set this off camera because there's a big mess behind my table and I don't want to show that, so I'll see you guys in a minute. Alright, so the LED strip is now installed and let's see how it looks like. Just like that, it completely changed the way things look. So I could review a product, watch a movie, a TV show with these lights on, and it's gonna completely change the vibe of what I'm doing. I'll cycle through the modes for you to get an idea. This is flash. This is strobe. This is fade. And this is smooth. This is how the app looks like. It connects with Bluetooth. There are a few tabs on the bottom of this app. With the first tab, you can change the color to any color you prefer from the color wheel. Also, you can change the brightness from this tab as well. From the second tab, you can make the LEDs lit to a rhythm based on the sounds your phone hears or from the music you play from your phone. Next, we have the modes tab where you have a few light modes to select from. And on the last tab, you can schedule the LED strip to turn on or turn off as you prefer for any time of the day. Like I said guys, very inexpensive item and it completely changed the way my desk looked. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, please give me a thumbs up and consider hitting the subscribe button guys. It really does help the channel. Thank you very much for watching and I will see you again on the next one.